G'day guys, Carla from Go Travel. In the garage with the big girl. We're about to go full grandpa spec. This modification cost me stuff all, but needs to happen, and I'll show you why. It just flows straight off. I don't know if you can see that, but it drives me nuts. So we're gonna have a go at the window shades and see if we can fix it. Because I can't live with that. It annoys me. It annoys me way more than it probably should. So we're going to put the Oldman shades on and we'll have a go at fixing this problem. We got some Ocam window shades, louvers, whatever the hell you call them. And I know what you're thinking. This is such an old man thing to do. And it bloody is. This should be pretty straightforward. Just literally double side tape. It's all that sticks them on. We'll see how it goes. Grandpa spec, here we come. Literally, there's going to be nothing involved in this install. Get a bit of methylated spirits on a rag. We'll clean the edge of the door sill where it's going to sit on, just to make sure it's like grease and wax. It's all removed. Let's see if I can get this right. It's actually kind of harder than it looks. I'm literally making this way harder than it needs to be. I'm still not convinced that's right. Oh, I'm making a shit show of this. That's right. We'll get the second one on and then we'll make sure it lines up and it fits and then we'll go from there. Where's Kel when I need her? Now, we'll just point out there is a little step in them, so alignment should be easy, but I am definitely making it look hard. Just push them down firmly on every little square inch. You see there's a little bit of gap down through there, so we'll make sure we get nice contact. And hopefully they will just stick on and stay on. Near enough, good enough. I made that look way harder than it actually was, but hopefully that fixes my problem. Well, they're not terrible. You actually really don't notice them with the dark tint, so that's not too bad. The front ones you definitely notice a bit more, but they're nice and slim so they don't stick out really bad. Go windows down and see what they look like. If you don't know that trick, when your car's locked, push the lock button, push it again, and then hold the unlock button and all your windows come down. It's not bad. I've seen worse. I reckon we go and see if it fixed my issue. Don't know if I like that tinted bit as I look out the window, but I think it works. It does not work. God damn it. Oh, it was a fail. It does not fix my problem. If anything, it makes it worse. At, what's that, 1/3. Window down 1/3, it works. But window fully down, I think it makes it worse than what it was. So, I'll run them for a couple of weeks and then I'll make a decision whether or not I like them. But it wasn't the fix-all that I was hoping for. I don't actually think it looks as bad as what I thought. I was hoping it would be enough to deflect the water the whole way around an open window, but 1/3 open's still okay. That's not too bad. I'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions. What do you reckon? Is the big girl now grandpa spec with the old louvers? Or is it not so bad? Whatever you think, comment it below. As always, if you like what you see, feel free to subscribe. And until next time guys, go travel.